You know, sometimes when you have a little bit of static in your mind, the best thing to do is go for a little nature walk. I'm going to go for a little nature walk to get rid of the static that I have on my mind from last night. They're just little remnants of last night, not a lot. Because I slept so good last night, I do feel energized. But sometimes you have little remnants left over from the previous night. The earth is like a sponge. After you've cleansed yourself, nature kind of finds its way of wiping it clean. After all you've gone through, now you should be able to just begin new and fresh. Life's not perfect. Get advice from people and therapists. In the end, it's only you. As we move through life, we do become stronger and stronger. Every time we fall, we pick ourselves up. People say there's no such thing as a flawless diamond. You could have perfect cuts, but you have to rub it 1,000,000 times so it'll shine. In the end, you have to love yourself before you can even begin to love others. Accept yourself for all the little imperfections, because they go to making you. They say that even a big stone gives off positive energy. We can't control how others act, but we can control how we react.